Hey guys, I'm gonna take you along as I put this arrangement together. In my last video, I told you come back and I'll show you how to do my little chicken in the garden. So we're gonna get some zip ties. What we're gonna need for that is flowers and zip ties. So I'm gonna feed the zip ties through the basket, and to make sure that I have it even to where I am gonna put Mr. Rooster. This is a metal rooster that I got from Ross a few years ago in my first collab. The name of it was, I think, was The Look for Less, and the name of my design of the rooster was Chicken in the Garden. There is a video for it. I will try to link it. So I already feed it through, and now I'm holding the feed down, and as you see, I can swing the basket back and forth, and rooster ain't going nowhere. So I zip tie them, and now I'm cutting off the strings of the zip ties. So now it's all together. So now we're going to add my base color, and I wanted to do this light color and then add specks of the burnt orange and yellow in. These are some pigs that I picked up from Michael's, I think was 2 seasons ago, grab bag, and I have them. This is a garland that I picked up this year. The picks, I have them all put to the side and into bunches. These here from the Dollar Tree, and I think these like 3 years ago. But once I finish with them, I put them in like rubber bands, so it will be easier and the branches wouldn't be all over, and then you get your flowers to just get bust off of them. So that's why I keep them together, and it works as a charm. So I'm going ahead now and fill it in with some hydrangeas and making that base all the way through. And these are some sunflowers, and what I do to one side, I am also going to do to another side. To me, building an arrangement is like a good old afro. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. So now I realize, you know what, girl, you're going to use too many flowers for this. So I have this grass, no, that don't look like grass, girl. That's hay type something outside, and I'm gonna just cut the loop out, but I'm still gonna keep it intact in the middle and just fill in the space. I could stop right here, right? I could stop right here. Just add some eggs to it. Yes, the harvest was great this year. But no, I'm gonna put some flowers in there and put flowers on either side. And like I said, what I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other side, like this nice old afro. You know, you don't want your afro slipping to the side, then you're going to have a Gumby. Anywho, I am putting the hydrangeas. Now this one, I have to cut it off the stem. That seemed like one that have never been used. So I'm going to go right ahead and fill it all in. These right here, like I said, I keep all of them in rubber band bunches so they could keep in place as new. So I'm gonna break this up apart because I want them to fan out through. And this right here, I think I bought this at Ollie's. I think they were $1.99. So look, I'm filling it in and I'm shaking it all over the place. See, it's almost filled in. And eventually I will go in with my burnt orange and yellow to fill this in. And look how cute she is looking. Another bunch again. And I have some little Dollar Tree pumpkins. Aren't those pumpkins cute from the Dollar Tree? I think I had them like maybe 2 seasons now. And look, I'm just taking off the leaves off of the garland and just just sprinkle them around like the leaves has blown and it blew onto the ground, and this is the way it looked, and the chicken just happened to be in the garden. Yes. Yes, guys, and this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to tweak it a bit. And guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos. Also, come back and I will show you how I decorate my buffet. I already show you how the curtains look. What y'all think about the curtains in the last video? And I will show you how I did my fall table. Come back and I will do the table together with you because I like you that much. Look at chicken in the garden. Oh, chicken in the basket. Yes. All I need is some eggs in there, right? Yes. Look how pretty this look. Guys, you could also do that at home. Yes. Look how pretty she is. Guys, share my videos if you like what I'm doing. Tell a friend. Come over on Instagram and say hi, because some of the things I will post them on Instagram. I need to get better at it. But just come over there and say hi so we could be in touch. You could get an immediate message to me. Say, hey girl, how you doing? What you up to? I ain't seen you in a while. And I'll be like, girl, I'm in this house doing something wrong. Maybe something right too. So this is how this area is looking. Come back and we will style this buffet together. And these are the colors that we're using. And I think finally this year I'll do a home tour. I've never really done a home tour. And look at chicken in a basket. Something like you going to grandma's house, right, and have fried chicken in a basket. This is a metal chicken. We can't fry that one. Guys, stay to the end of the video and I'll show you some of the pieces that I am going to be using for my fall decor and styling. I have a lot more videos coming with DIYs and a lot more. So stay tuned. Again, come over on Instagram. That's designed by VEE. 3 E's.